Here's our second example where we want to find the unit vector. Remember, the unit vector is a length of 1. So here's a vector v in component form. And we want to have it in the direction of vector v equaling -2, 5. So I'll just graph this vector. So we're -2 and then up 5. We'll start at origin, left 2, up 5, initial point, heading off to terminal point. So this is our vector v in component form graphed out. And we want to shrink it down in the same direction so that it's a length of 1. So somewhere down in here, we want to find that vector. So we're going to use our formula. Either one of these, so you can use this one or this one, it doesn't matter which one. So to find the unit vector, you take the vector over the vector's length. So we need to find out what is the vector's length. So the vector's length is the square root of the distance on the A squared plus the distance of the B. So this is our A distance, our horizontal distance, and this is our vertical distance. Let's go ahead and substitute that in. So -2 times -2 is 4. 5 times 5 is 25. And we get square root of 29. Now we can go ahead and go back up here and substitute in the formula. The numerator is going to be your vector in component form over your magnitude, square root of 29. All right. That's kind of messy there. Let's rewrite that. All right, over the square root of 29. Now what we do is we go ahead and separate this out as -2 over the square root of 29. 5 over the square root of 29. Now, we have to rationalize those. So it's going to be -2 square roots of 29 over 29, comma, 5 square roots of 29 over 29. And again, we want to leave this in component form. Part B says, now let's verify that it has a length of 1. So we want to verify this new unit vector has a length of 1. So right in here would be our vector in that same direction. So we're going to use our magnitude formula again. The distance on the A, the horizontal, plus the distance on the B squared. So we're going to square this. So -2 squared is 29 over 29. Plus 5 squared is 29 over 29. Square it. And then square root it. All right, we have some work to do here. So I'm going to grab my calculator. So when we square, -2 times -2 will be +4. Square root of 29 times square root of 29 is 29. And then we have 29 times 29. Over here, 5 times 5 is 25. Square root of 29 times square root of 29 is 29. And then 29 times 29. All right, you'll notice these 29s will cancel, these 29s will cancel. We're left with 4 over 29 plus 25 over 29, square root, add the fraction, 29 29ths, which is 1, square root of 1 is 1. So we've now just shown that this unit vector here in the red, I'll just highlight it again, here's our standard unit vector of 1 length in the same direction as our vector v. It's just shortened up.